Tata Metaliks Limited, a company promoted by Tata Steel, is located at Kharagpur in West Bengal. It is the leading manufacturer of the finest quality of pig iron and ductile iron pipes in India. At our state-of-the-art manufacturing facility in Kharagpur, we have installed two waste heat recovery power plants of 10 megawatt and 15 megawatt supplied by Thermax on EPC basis. Thermax O&M has been operating both the plants round the clock since commissioning. Now, why did you choose Thermax? Thermax is the pioneer in the O&M of captive power plants, not only in India, also I understand they have plants in many other countries also. They have a strong engineering and OEM background with comprehensive experience of operating similar plants. Further, we received excellent customer feedback on their performance from the industry.
Thermax has been a leading provider of energy management solutions to the industry. We have built a portfolio of proprietary solutions to run the plant efficiently and deliver the least life cycle cost. Thermax's commitment towards introducing digital solutions, taking ownership in improving plant performance, and open and transparent information sharing with customer makes us the preferred partner for operations and maintenance of power plants. At Tata Metaliks, with Thermax experts operating the plant 24/7, we have been able to maximize the net power generation while adhering to world-class safety and operational standards. We have been able to improve performance and reduce energy consumption through successful implementation of various improvement projects, improvement in vacuum, implementation of auto cascade loop, reduction in MTTR, 100% compliance to preventive maintenance, TG generation maximized up to 10.4 megawatt. Leveraging our proprietary operation performance management system to run the plant, Thermax achieved 365 days trip-free plant operation. Our focus on continuous improvement has resulted in higher generation, lower maintenance cost, and improved reliability for the customer.
Thermax has been our partner since the commissioning of the first waste heat recovery power plant in September 2016. We appreciate the responsiveness of the Thermax team and engagement of the senior management in monitoring of the power plant performance. We are very happy with the team consistently maintaining plant availability at 100%. Thermax has also been proactive in implementing various improvement initiatives in improving the maintainability and operability of the plant. Given their outstanding performance, when our 15 megawatt power plant was commissioned in 2021, Thermax was the obvious choice as our O&M partner. We appreciate Thermax's commitments toward maintaining world-class safety standards. With Thermax, I am assured that my plant is in reliable and safe hands.